Welcome back. Well, as usual, it is time for our commodities segment. We have Manisha Gupta in for exactly that. Manisha, good morning. So what do you have your eye on today?
Well, inflation to be exact, because everything from energy to metals to soft commodities, agricultural commodities, that is, seems to be rising on the higher side here. Most of the soft commodities right now are trading at a multi-week highs, and you have various reasons for the price rise there. To begin with, the weather conditions have been erratic at the best. The Russia-Ukraine war escalation is yet another thing which has managed to damage a lot of tons of food grains in various ports in Ukraine because of Russia attacks there, and that has led or damaged a lot of food grain there. Apart from that, the demand also has continued to improve. And in all of this, even as the dollar index is trading at 101, we have seen many of these agricultural commodities stay put on the higher side here. Sugar and corn, for example, are trading at a 4-week highs. Wheat is trading at 4-month highs. You have the sugarcane, the orange juice price is trading at almost all-time highs, and the vegetable oil demand is also on the stronger side. So we have seen all of those prices firm up quite strongly. I want to take you through this chart where we have seen week-on-week prices jump up way more than what the month of July seems to be doing. So wheat clearly was a knee-jerk reaction after Russia made attacks on Ukraine's last port and damaged almost 2 million tons of food grains there. The wheat prices surged because of that. Wheat also in the global markets, the inventories, that is the lowest in 8 years, and that has been supportive. Rice is another one, and after India banned exports of non-basmati white rice, we've seen prices for that one gain on a week-on-week basis also. Cotton has been jumping because the sowing numbers are not so great and the demand seems to be picking up. Sugar prices have been on an uptrend for quite some time now. It's trading at a 4-week highs, and we've seen nearly 5% of a gain come in for this one in this week itself. Palm oil, soybean are some of the vegetable oils which have done quite well for themselves. This is again because of the El Nino year where we are looking at sowing concerns coming in. Corn is another one where we are looking at stronger demand coming in from China and US, and the sowing is not so great. Coffee, we are looking at lower sowing in Ghana. The harvest is not so great. The demand seems to be picking up in Europe, and is the reason you have this one as well gain up by nearly 5%. So the only two commodities which are actually in the negative for the month of July are corn and coffee, but almost every other agricultural commodities is trading in the positive for the week and for the month.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Some more stocks are moving up.